Hello. Today I'm going to introduce you to our newest addition to our battery pack line. This new battery pack has a 15-hour capacity, an insanely powerful magnet that's designed to hold up to 10 pounds. And for the first time, there's going to be an LED readout display that shows you how much juice is left in your battery pack. Obviously, this battery pack is also waterproof and weatherproof, but in this video, we're going to unbox it. I'm going to show you all the components, show you how it functions, how to charge it, how to use it, and then we're going to go outside and actually test the weight capacity of these powerful magnets. They're designed to hold 10 pounds, but I have a feeling that our engineers a little bit over-engineered it. And in this video, we're going to test it. Let's get started. Welcome back to TadiBrothers. I'm Tamir. If you want to see this premium battery pack on TadiBrothers.com, when you go to the page, put in the search bar SKU number 88739 and the product will pop right up. Any information that I miss in this video will be on that page. Now, let's go over the design of the battery pack so you can see the new improvements we've made to this premium battery pack. So right here is the magnet base of the battery pack itself. It was designed to hold up to 10 pounds. It is waterproof, weatherproof, and it will never rust. The idea or the concept when making it is we wanted a magnet so powerful that when connected to your vehicle, it would be indistinguishable from if you had bolted it in or magnetized it. Next up is the newest addition to our battery pack is right here, the LED display. This bright LED display will show you how much juice is left in your battery. So when you're charging it, you'll see what level you're charging it, and when you're not, you'll see how much juice is left. It is very bright, so you could see it in the day, and it's 100% waterproof and weatherproof. Some of the uses for this battery pack is obviously you can use it to power any of our cameras, transmitters, or even our monitors. Next up, let's go see the unboxing where you will see all the components, the parts, how to use it, how to charge it, and I'll even show you how it could power a monitor. Let's go over there right now. All right, so let's do the unboxing. Here are all the components that come with the battery pack. I brought in a monitor because I want you guys to see it turning on something. But these are all the components. This is the battery pack. This is the mount, the cable you need to operate the battery pack itself, and then you get two chargers. You get a wall mount charger and a car charger, which I'm going to demonstrate in a second. The battery pack itself, it is IP68, will last for 12 to 15 hours depending on the environment itself. It is a 3000 milliampere battery pack, all encased in here. You could, if you're like boat riding and you're going to back up a boat, this thing will just go straight in the water without a problem. Obviously, you need it connected over here. And these are all the magnets that you can use. So our other versions, which I'll show you, only have 4 batteries, 4 magnets. Here, this entire thing is magnets. These are magnets, and this is an entire plate of magnets. So this thing is not going to move. It was designed to hold 10 to 15 pounds. After this video, we're gonna go test that theory and see how much power or how much strength that actually has, and you guys will see it. The other thing that makes it nice is, well, you know, the quality of the build, the engineering of it. It's really nice, it's sleek, it's thin, and this is our only battery pack that comes with a display. So you have these LED lights right here, and you have the power button, right? You turn it on, and then you have this indicator telling me that it is on, and these are indicators showing you how much juice you have in the battery itself. Again, 12 to 15 hours depending on night vision or how many cameras you connect to it or what you're going to do with it. It is the battery itself is going to last a long time. Let me now put it together for you. I want you guys to see how to charge it and a couple of other cool features that this thing has. So the first thing I'm going to do is connect this right here, this thing. All right, like this. That, and then we're going to close it in. Oops. Right here. And we're going to plug this into the screen. And we're just going to turn it on. Let's do it like that. there you have it. Screen is on, 4 cameras, the 4-channel split screen. This is our monitor for our digital. It isn't even meant to power a screen, but it's so powerful that it does. So that's an example of it working for you. So in theory, if you have 2 of these, you would have a system that's completely independent of your vehicle, because you'd have this thing powering the screen and a battery pack powering the camera itself. Again, you have the indicators right here showing you how much juice is in the battery, and you have here the power button showing you that it is on. One other cool feature, which I really like, is watch what else you could do, right? Here's a cigarette adapter. I'm gonna plug it into here, like that. And now I can plug it straight into the other socket. So what's cool is that you're actually using this thing as like one of those backups that people have for their house, because you have the cigarette adapter, or for example, a solar panel, charging the battery, and then the battery's powering the camera or the screen in this case. So you're never actually going to run out of juice, and if there's a power outage or anything, you're automatically going to start using or draining the battery pack if that's how you want to set it up. Remember, you can leave this outside. It's 100% waterproof and weatherproof, but that is a really cool feature that this thing has, right? So let me disassemble this now, and I'm going to show you something else here. The other component that it comes with, which is really nice, and you can choose to use it or not, but we give it to you guys anyways because a lot of people envision using it. This is a mount that you could put the camera on. If you buy one of our RV cameras or even one of our heavy duty cameras that have that groove on the bottom, there's a 1/4 inch right here, you could put it on the battery pack like this, and then you could just move the battery pack from location to location, magnetizing it here to the back. So this, again, this is a magnet that's very powerful, so you can use it while you're driving down the road. Okay, so that's really how that looks, and we give it to you as an option. You can choose to put it on or not. The other thing I wanted to show you the difference between this battery. This is the SKU 88739. It's our luxury battery pack. It's the best we have. So it goes to the commercial versus the standard battery pack, right? This one here is happens to be the 12-hour version of the battery pack, but you can see that it's, obviously it's smaller, right? But also look at the magnets, right? You've got maybe 3 times or 4 times the amount of magnets that this thing has. This is good, it's powerful, it's okay, but it's not this. This is a monstrosity. The 6-hour and 12-hour actually come in the same casing. They just have less cells inside of them. But also, here's the display for the battery packs, right? This is standard. It's got no display, just a button to turn it on, turn it off. It's not complicated to operate. It works. It's also just as waterproof as this one, but this one here has that really cool display. And it isn't that much more from a price perspective. You have to see, and again, we always have different deals and discounts available for the product themselves. So you should always look around and see what we have there. But that is the 2 differences between the battery packs themselves, and that's how easy it is to operate. Again, to charge it, it's gonna take a few hours. The operation is 12 to 15 hours, so in like a really cold environment, it might work a little less than 15 hours. Or if you're draining it with a lot of night vision, or if you connect multiple cameras, it'll last a little less. But if you just use it straight up with a camera for 15 hours, 16 hours maybe sometimes, it's not gonna be an issue. But that's it. That's the battery pack. Next up, we're gonna go and let's go back to the studio, and then we're also going to test the strength of the magnet itself. That I'm excited about. I'm hoping that we do 10, 15 pounds or more, but we're gonna find out, and you're gonna find out with me. See you on the other side. All right, so we're outside on location. We have a forklift that has a metal base, and I'm using the 18-hour battery, the one that has the display on it that shows you how much power the battery has. That's the one that has that ultra powerful magnet that's supposed to hold the camera. I've attached the camera mount to it like you guys get when you make the purchase of the battery, and we're going to test the weight. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the weight and put them on the camera and see how much weight it can carry. The idea is that if it can hold anything above half a pound, because that's what most of our cameras weigh, you should be good to go. So let's get started. Okay. I have here 6 weights. I got 2 10-pounders and 4 5-pounders. I don't think we're going to use all those, but nevertheless, that's what we have. And here's the first 10 pounds. So a camera, it can hold. All right, one more here. All right, we got 20 pounds and we're turning ourselves, we're building a little wind chime action going on here. Next up is the 5-pounder, and that will put us into 25 pounds. So we're now holding a gaggle of cameras, right? So I think we've proven our points. I'm gonna keep going because I wanna entertain, because my job is to entertain. So let's just see, we're gonna keep going and see what happens. Some would say, take the win. Nope, not here. Here we're gonna go wacky bananas. All right, that is 30 pounds that we have this thing holding up. Do another one. And 35 pounds. 35 pounds. I'm not taking the win, don't worry, we're gonna do it. We're gonna laugh. We're gonna have some entertainment here. Unless I run out of weights, and then, you know, it is what it is. So now we're gonna go right here. And we now have 40 pounds being held up by the magnet and the camera holder. So this means, scientifically speaking, that if you attach a sack of potatoes to the back of this magnet, you can drive around the country with a sack of potato flapping around the back of your vehicle. Just saying, it's just an idea. It could be interesting. You should try it. Let me zoom in here. I want you guys to see the different parts that we have. I want you to see how strong it is and how it looks in there. All right, so right here we got the weights being held up by the magnet. You can see right here, this is an 18-hour battery. All the magnets, this thing kind of looks like a wind chime at this point, and it is being held up for a long time. All right, so that's pretty much it. There you have it, guys. Okay, so what have we proven today? Scientifically, without a doubt, we have proven that magnets work. Now, that's not really what we proved today. What we proved today is that you can take 40 pounds, a sack of potatoes, connect it to a camera holder, attached to a magnet base for a TadiBrothers battery, and it will hold it up like it's nothing. I thought I was gonna have it fall and do a whole thing, but that didn't happen. Ran out of weights. However, 40 pounds being held up by a battery is more than you're ever going to have to hold up unless you do 2 sacks of potatoes. 1 sack good, 2 sack no good. But you see it here. Now we're gonna go wrap this up back in the studio and summarize everything that we have here. Let's go back inside. Okay, let's go over everything that we just did here. We did the unboxing. I showed you all the components that come with the battery pack. All the different ways to set it up, the 2 chargers, the holder, the camera mount, everything. We turned it on, we saw that it will power a monitor, and we know that it'll also power a camera. Then we went outside and we tested how much weight that magnet can hold. And we saw that it'll hold at least 40 pounds, which is 30, 40 times more than any of our cameras, right? They're like 5 to 6 ounces. So if it's gonna hold that, 40 pounds, it's gonna hold our double box camera, single camera, anything you can imagine, we leave that to you. Finally, if everything you saw here doesn't convince you to buy from us, let me leave you with a few final benefits. First, all products purchased from TadiBrothers include a 30-day full money-back guarantee. That means that if you're not happy for any reason, you could send it back for a full refund, no questions asked. Next, you also get a 1-year warranty with the product. It covers it bumper to bumper and it lasts for 1 year from the date of delivery. Now, if all that doesn't do it for you, if that doesn't convince you to buy from us, I challenge you to whip on over to Trustpilot.com. Type in TadiBrothers and you will see the hundreds and hundreds of verified 5-star reviews that show you exactly how we treat our customers. Now, if any of you look at reviews or even care, you know how hard it is to achieve so many of them and so many 5 stars. But I can't take that credit. That credit belongs to our service agents, the one that endlessly and tirelessly talk to our customers over the phone, through email, through chat, whatever it takes, even FaceTime, to make sure every customer is satisfied. Their mandate is to make every single customer feel like family. And I hope that you give us the opportunity to do the same for you. If there's anything else you want to know, feel free to call us anytime at 866-966-5550, and our American-based team will gladly answer any questions you might have. If you want to speak to me, I'm Tamir. I'm always around. It would be an honor to earn your business. From all of us here at TadiBrothers, thanks for watching and have a great day.